begin with a new question. The question is, of the three numbers, second is twice the first and is also thrice the third. If the average of the three numbers is 44, find the largest number. The options are 60, 72, 54, and 66. Pause the video, try yourself, and then we'll begin. I hope you tried and also found the answer. Let's begin. Let the three numbers be x, y, and z. Taking x as first number and y as second number, as per question, second number is twice the first number. So y becomes 2x. The second number is also thrice the third number. That means y equals to 3 of z. The average of the three numbers is 44. So what average means is the sum of all the numbers and divided by the count of the numbers. Here the count of numbers is 3 x, y, and g, and the sum of the numbers is not given, but we know x, y, and z are three numbers, so we will sum x plus y plus z divided by 3, that is the average, equals to 44, because the average is given as 44. So the equation becomes x plus y plus z equals to 44. Then we say x plus y plus z equals to 44 times 3, which becomes 132. We have formed the equation x plus y plus j equals to 132. Now we will substitute y equals to 2x that we got from the above equations. So into the new equation it becomes x plus 2x plus z equals to 132, and x plus 2x sums to 3x. So it becomes 3x plus z equals to 132. We also have y equals to 3z, but we are forming the equation in form of x. So what we will do, we'll try to convert the z and y relation into x and z relation. So how we'll do, y equals to 3z. So we can say z equals to y by 3, because in the from the multiplication, when it goes to the other side, it becomes divided. So z equals to y by 3 and y is 2x, we know. So it becomes z equals to 2x by 3. We calculated z equals to 2x by 3, and we will put this value in 3x plus z equals to 132. So the equation new becomes 3x plus 2x by 3 equals to 132. We have 3 in the denominator, and to eliminate 3 we will multiply both sides by 3. So 3x into 3 becomes 9x, plus 2x by 3 multiplied by 3 gives us 2x, equals to 132 multiplied by 3 give us 396. So overall equation becomes 9x plus 2x equals to 396, and it gives us 11x equals to 396, and x equals to 396 divided by 11, it gives us 36. So the value of x is 36. Now we will find the value of y and z. We have calculated value of x. Now we will calculate value of y. Y equals to 2x, and 2 times 36 is 72, and z's value is y upon 3. Y is 72, so 72 divided by 3 it's 24. So now we have value of x, y, and z. We have all the three numbers 24, 36, and 72, and the largest of them is 72. So the final answer is 72. Thank you for watching. Please provide your questions if you have any doubt. And please like, comment, and share the video with your friends and help them learn math.